Hi guys, it's Michelle Sky here. Today I'm bringing you the first video from Aquasky's Tips and Tricks. As the season is approaching in Cape Town, we are all getting ready to hit the water again. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pack my car for a kite surfing session. Let's go.
Make the booty bounce on the dance floor.
First of all, you need one of these big waterproof boxes to store your gear wet or dry. So then you need your wetsuit, of course, your harness, your bar, and don't forget your pump. Then of course, don't forget your kites when you're going kite surfing. I usually take my 5 and my 7 in Cape Town. It's always important, if you have more than one kite, please take more than one kite so that you have options when you get to the beach. And don't forget to bring your kite bags with you as well to protect your kites in the car. Then of course you need to bring a towel or a poncho. I highly recommend a poncho for men and women to change under to stay warm after your session. Otherwise, a towel can very easily slip off or blow away in the wind, leaving you very exposed. Then you need your board. Unless you're still at the body dragging big stages of things, don't forget your board at home. First of all, you can pack all your equipment into your waterproof box. And if you have space, you can also add your pump. And your poncho or your towel. So this way, everything fits into the box and goes straight into your car. And that way at home, you can easily check if you've got all your equipment and if you haven't left anything at home. Then you can pack your kites into your bags to protect them. Make sure you don't zip your kites. And then pack them neatly next to the box. And then lastly, packing your board. I would recommend either putting it into your car like this so that it goes into the back seat, or if you're in an area where you need to be a little bit more safety conscious, then I would recommend closing all of these things at the back so that no one can see them, and then putting your board across the back seat. If you like, you can put your towel or your poncho underneath your board to protect your seats. Now I have one more really cool tip for you. If you're traveling a far distance and if you're taking a lot of kites or you don't have a lot of space, I would recommend getting one or two of these vacuum packing bags and vacuum packing your kites. These are great for when you're traveling overseas or going a far distance because you don't actually even need a vacuum. I'll show you how. You can pack a really big kite, like even up to a 17 or an 18 meter in one of these bags, or you can pack 2 or 3 small kites into one of these big vacuum packing bags. And don't worry, it doesn't damage the kite at all. You can see this bag has been used a few times, they're reusable. So fold your kite as you usually would and place it inside the bag. And like I said, you can do more than one kite. So once you have both kites in the bag, first make sure you've sealed it shut and then take off the valve so that it's open. And then since you don't always have access to a vacuum cleaner, you can use your body weight to squeeze out all the excess air and to vacuum pack your kites. Then once all the air is out, you can start to shut the valve, and there you go. You've fitted 2 kites into the space of half a kite. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks on how to pack your car for a kite surfing session. As season gets going, I'll be bringing you even more tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and please leave us a comment below letting us know how you pack your car and if you have any tips to share with us. Thank you, and see you again soon.